Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a collaborator on Shopify. This is a quick and easy tutorial, so please keep on watching. First, log into your Shopify and click on Settings. In the Settings page, click on Users and Permission. Then, navigate to the Collaboration section. If the option only people with collaborator request code can set a collaborator request is checked, then just copy this code right here and share it with your collaborator. If you don't want any code sharing involved, then just choose the option anyone can send a collaborator request. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!